Hey, Matt the Mortgage Guy here, recording a quick video just to remind you that real estate is still one of the best long-term investments out there. I know in 2021, there's all types of different stuff out there on how to get rich quick, on how to 10x, 100x your money, but I'm here to tell you that roughly 15 people have become millionaires because of Gamestop, and millions of people continue to become multimillionaires because of real estate. So if you're looking to build your net worth slowly over time, the proven way, I personally would lean towards real estate versus trying to hit home runs with AMC or GameStop or one of those things. So that's my advice of the day to all you young folks out there. If it was that easy on just jumping onto Wall Street bets, finding the pick of the week and investing in that, doubling, tripling your money and jumping out, then there'd be a lot more stock trading millionaires than real estate millionaires. But if we did a survey, there's probably 50 million examples of real estate millionaires and 36 of stock trading millionaires, because at the end of the day, it's kind of like gambling. Sorry to tell you that, but that's my truth. There is a way to get rich slow in the stock market. It's investing in companies you believe over the long term. Buy, hold, never sell. Short-term trading and hoping for some game stonks to go to the moon. Whole different kind of investing. It's just really not my style. But if that's you, best of luck to you. Thanks for watching.